Plug in the power cord and turn on the device. The machine will automatically perform Z-axis homing. Make sure the Z-axis rises to the highest point. Take out the laser module. Install the dust plug for the field lens inlet and the laser module cover separately. Power off the machine and disconnect the power supply. Remove the display screen. Unscrew the 2 rings of the carbon dioxide fire suppression interface and display interface. Unscrew the 11 screws that fix the rear housing. Take off the rear housing. Disconnect the terminals of emergency stop switch, power switch, and USB adapter board on both sides in sequence. Remove the auxiliary guide rod. First, unscrew the top screw. Open the front door and unscrew the screws, fixing the auxiliary guide rod at the bottom. Take out 2 auxiliary guide rods. Remove the front door and unscrew 6 screws. Remove the upper housing and unscrew the 8 fixing screws. Use a plastic pry bar or other self-provided tools to pry loose the upper housing. Take off the upper housing. Remove the fan baffles and unscrew 6 fixing screws. Pull out the baffle for a certain distance to ensure that the fan guard does not hinder disassembly and assembly. Disconnect for wires on the bottom adapter board. Unplug the wires on the main board. Unscrew 3 screws to remove the upper clamp of the main wire harness. Take the wire harness out of the clamp. Unscrew 3 screws to remove the lower clamp of the main wiring harness. Cut the cable ties that fasten the main wiring harness. Take out the old main wiring harness. Take the wire harness out of the clamp. Install the new wiring harness into the clamps in order. Reinstall the lower harness clamp and tighten 3 fixing screws. the main wiring harness on the bracket and fix it with cable ties. Plug in the wires. Install the wiring harness back into the upper clamp in sequence. Tighten 3 screws to secure the upper clamp. Plug in the wires. Reinstall the wound baffle and tighten 6 fixing screws. Fit the upper cover and fasten the buckles on the upper housing and both sides. Tighten the 8 screws for fixing the upper housing. Move the Z-axis sliding assembly to the bottom. Pre-install 2 auxiliary guide rods. Reinstall the front door. Tighten 6 screws to fix the front door. Open the front door and push in the auxiliary guide rods. After pushing the auxiliary guide rod to the top, pry the top and tail simultaneously to align the top with the screw hole. Tighten the top screw. Then adjust the bottom of the auxiliary, the guide rod back into place and tighten the screw. Install the rear housing and reconnect the wiring. Tighten the 11 screws of the rear housing. Reinstall the 2 rings of the carbon dioxide, fire suppression interface, and display interface. Remove the dust plug of the field lens inlet and the laser module cover. Install the laser module.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.